Hi, Alan Stratton from Aswood Turns. One thing I appreciate that our club does is to issue challenges where they give a theme and we make something along that theme. Now, that breeds a lot of creativity, and I think necessity or a challenge breeds creativity. And I think working within a constraint of having a definite theme also breeds creativity. So I'm going to issue a challenge, now that we've discussed spheres, to make a sphere. In some project, simple, complex, it's up to you. If you're a novice, at least turn your first one. If you're experienced, turn a better one. If you really go whole hog, go whole hog. Rules are simple. Turn a sphere in some sort of project. Upload a still picture. Prizes? No, there aren't any. Just the bragging rights of having done your best and to see the creativity that comes from this challenge. So by the end of July, upload your still picture and be sure to wear your full face shield.